That's right, guys. It's me, James Swinney, coming at you from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange on this Friday afternoon. And although it hasn't been that great for the markets, there is some good news. And you know what that is. Because it's after 4 o'clock, the markets, they're about to close, and that can only mean one thing. Grab yourself a drink, because we're going to do it right, and we're going to do it early, because it's an early edition of Happy Hour right here at modernwallstreet.com. Now, U.S. stocks, they saw quite the sharp drop Friday afternoon right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, even leading the way for the benchmark indices to be pushed into the red for the year 2015. This led mostly in part to mixed jobs data. So what about the jobs data, you must be asking? We'll first begin with the Labor Department, which had the U.S. economy adding 252,002 payrolls for last month. Meanwhile, the strong November read, that was also revised higher to a better read of 353,000. Now, all of that early jobs enthusiasm, that was all very short-lived. This due mostly in part to stagnant wage growth, this after hourly earnings declined, and as investors continued to pay attention to the events in France, this after the massacre at Charlie Hebdo magazine in Paris. Now, you team that with a weak U.S. dollar, as well as a 2.5% slide in crude oil prices and gold prices due to risk aversion rising just under 1%, and you have yourself a session where decliners are indeed outpacing advancers nearly 3-1 right here on the floor of the stock exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to not just close out this session, but the week as well. And for the most part, it's been quiet on the corporate front this Friday, with attention mostly on Macy's after the company announced that it will close 14 stores, but it will open 2 new locations, resulting in an annual savings of about $140 million. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, because it's a Friday. And I need the Friday really well. I'm sure you do too. I'll rest up and hopefully I'll get over this cold, and I'll see you guys all on Monday morning. From modernwallstreet.com, saying have yourself a good one. I'm James Swinney.